Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing of the TONOR Dynamic Microphone Kit. You can get this product on Amazon for about $73. Check out the link in the description. The kit comes with a microphone, a boom arm and clamp, a USB cable, an XLR cable, and a user manual. It's a really good quality microphone. Everything feels really sturdy, not cheap at all. You can connect the microphone with the USB cable or with the XLR cable, whatever works best for you. The user manual tells you everything you need to know to set up the microphone. Setting up the microphone is very easy and only takes about a minute. So far, it looks like a really nice product. If you want to know more about the TONOR Dynamic Microphone Kit, check out the link in the description. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos.